So the third thing that I mentioned earlier in terms of the whole health angle is protein. So it is often stated that you can get all the protein you need from plants. And what many people do not realize is that protein is not the same as protein. There are different types of protein, and sort of animal sourced proteins are more complete. They have all of the amino acids that our body needs to synthesize that protein, and they are more bioavailable. And those two facts are indisputable. So it means that, if you wanted your daily quota of protein, you could eat 8 ounces of steak. If you wanted to get that from quinoa, I think you'd have to eat 2 kilos of quinoa. And that wouldn't be complete protein even then, because it's very hard to get all those amino acids to the right amount. So it's very clear that proteins are not equivalent. And we really should stop talking about them as if they are. And I was even distressed by, I heard a lecture by Professor Tim Spector about a couple of weeks ago. And I respect his work enormously. And we have a lot of crossover in our work. And in fact, I cite his book several times in mine. Then he said something astonishing to me in his talk, which was, we can get all the protein we need from mushrooms. And I thought, can we? And I went and looked it up. I thought, am I going crazy? I'm sure I know these numbers, and I went back and realized 100 grams of mushrooms will give you 3 grams of protein. Well, 100 grams of steak is going to give you 25 grams of protein. So no, I'm sorry, they're not equivalent, and they're not even qualitatively equivalent. So it's amazing how these lazy kind of throwaway comments come from even the most educated sources, and it's harmful to people. It's really harmful to people who maybe know a little less and who just believe that.
Thanks for watching the Radical Health Rebel YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to share with your friends and family, or share via your social media. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of new video clips from the podcast. And if you want to watch the full episode, completely ad-free, plus premium content, and join the Radical Health Rebel Patreon community, head on over to the Radical Health Rebel Patreon channel at www.patreon.com/Radical Health Rebel. Thanks again for watching.